Yo, let's go, dude. Spit my gum out. Yikes. Hey guys, what is going on? So I just threw my gum on my carpet for some reason. Yo, guys, I'm super hyped about this. You guys already know what this is, first because of the title and because it's a box. What else would it be, dude? Today, I'm gonna be unboxing the iPhone XS Max, and I'm super hyped to be unboxing this right now. Yo, today was freaking wild, guys. I vlogged the whole entire day, so if you guys wanna check that out, it'll be tomorrow's video, so make sure to check that out. And it was very hectic, and stuff went wrong, stuff went right, but, you know, I got it, so that's all that really freaking matters now, guys, so. Very nice. Ooh. I bet this isn't the best unboxing experience because I don't have like two cameras. Ah, it's gonna cut through. Oh, there we go. Come here. I didn't even get like a receipt or anything. This is the box. Here it is, dude. iPhone XS Max Gold, 64 gigabyte. Super hyped about this. To be honest, guys, the box design, you know, it's an alright box design. I think they could have made it a lot cooler, to be honest. Maybe blacked out the box, maybe golden outed the box or something like that. I mean, it's still a good box, don't get me wrong. It's still a dope box, but I've seen better boxes from Apple. That's all I'm gonna say. As you guys know, they switched this flap thing a couple years ago. So we have this flap instead of putting the scissors between that, which honestly was really satisfying, but this is also satisfying. We're gonna get close up to the mic here, and yikes. Can I get a drum roll, please, dude? Wow. Very cool. Very cool. Yo, I can go some ASMR here. Tell me that's not satisfying to listen to. First of all, we got the instructions, whatever, you know. This is kind of the boring kind of stuff. We got the instruction manual. And in the instruction manual, which is very interesting, right next to charging, it says place iPhone with screen facing up on AirPower. So AirPower is kind of leaked in this. I feel like they felt like AirPower was going to be released before the iPhone, but we still don't really know what's going on with that AirPower thing. So, but I thought that was kind of interesting. That was in the paperwork. So it comes with a SIM card ejection tool. I have literally like 1,000 of these, and you can also just use like a paper clip. So I don't know, a little flimsy paper here, and Apple stickers, guys. Yo, to be honest, yo, should have been. I feel like they should have been gold, in my opinion. But yo, that's just me, Apple. Come on. Come on. Yo, this thing's huge. Oh my god. Okay. Here it is. Oh. Yo, this thing's mad heavy. Holy. So we got, you know, the boring stuff, headphones, charging cable, charging brick, you know, the normal stuff, you know, pretty boring stuff. This, on the other hand, though, is ginormous. Yo. Ginormous. All right, guys, so here is the iPhone X. Here's the iPhone XS Max, bruh. Thing is massive, dude. All right, guys, here we go. We're gonna take out the film. Another satisfying part as well. Ooh. 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 Way cooler in person than in pictures. Holy, this is a beaut. I'm so glad I got gold, dude. It looks so sick. There is some interesting things about it. On the bottom, as you can see, the speaker grills do not match each other. As you can see, on the left side, it only has 4, and on the right side, it has 7. So that's kind of a weird thing, probably because of these antenna lines. I'm guessing those are antenna lines. There's one on the very bottom, and then also one on the very top. But yeah, dude, this thing is a beaut, honestly. So glad I got gold. We're gonna turn it on right now, dude. Yo, we're turning it on, boys and girls. Yeah. Hello? Oh, there. Yo, I wasn't turning on for a sec. I was getting a little nervous. And it's honestly not that much bigger. I mean, yeah, it's a lot bigger, but like, yo. Gold, definitely recommend. Gold looks absolutely amazing in my opinion, dude. But yeah, guys, there is the unboxing. As you guys can see, this thing is an absolute beauty. And honestly, I've already said this in the video, but it looks way better in person than in pictures. So if you guys don't don't really know what color you want to get for the iPhone XS Max, go to the Apple store, go to a store, make sure to check out all the colors. Like, all the colors look absolutely amazing. Obviously, you know, Apple designed them. I would say go to an Apple store to make sure you know what color you want, and so you can like look at all of them and make sure you pick the right one for you. But for me, dude, gold, fantastic choice, I gotta say. And yo, it looks so freaking good, and the screen is ginormous, dude. I will have a lot more iPhone X videos in the future, but that has been an unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys caught the iPhone XS Max or the iPhone XS even in the comments below. Let me know what color and what storage model like that. But yeah, guys, let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys like this video, please drop a like and subscribe, guys, if you want to the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.